Door's open! Knife in hand, knife in hand. When the gas goes in, he's going to roll the window out, he's going to crawl out and fall down right here. That's my guess.
It's going to be hard for him to go that way, and he's going to have to climb out.
If I have to deploy that lethal, and if he does come on this side, I'm just going to step in on the inside fence.
I'm just going to step out, and then you're just going to have to come out behind me.
Okay.
And he's got a scissor. Hit him! Get the dog! Get the dog! He's got something in his hand! He's got something in his hand! He had a razor blade in his hand! He had a razor blade in his hand!
Take something now! Not careful!
Back!
Push up! I got it now! There you go! Move up! See your hands! Leave me alone! Drop him! Roll over! I got the knife!
Roll over!
I got this hat! See your hand!
Done, dude.
Let me see your hand! Let me see your hand! I got the hand! Get a hook! One hook in.
It's all good up there.
Another hook's in.
Alright, he's cuffed. He's cuffed.
I'm good, man.